Hello, it's your girl Clenham and welcome to my channel. Looking for a quick dinner fix or lunch? Then you're in the right place. Today we are going to prepare this succulent chicken wings wrapped in bacon sheets. So without wasting your time, let's jump right in. We are going to need some stock cube, thyme, onion, ginger and garlic, some rosemary, bacon, salt, our chicken wings, and some chili dried and fresh. Do not forget that all the quantities will be stated in the description box below, so make sure you check them out. Let's start the whole process by creating our marinade, and for that we're going to need all of these. Now obviously they are whole and it's difficult to blend, so I'm going to try to get rid of some of the stems from the rosemary, cut my onion into pieces. I'm going to do the same thing with the garlic and the ginger, and then I'll throw these into the blender with some oil, or you can also add some water to make it easier to blend. And I'm going to blend this to create the sauce that we're going to use to marinate our chicken. After blending, this should be what you get as a result. Our marinade is ready. So now all we have to do is to just add this to our previously washed chicken wings. Just mix it up a bit, cover it with some film and let it marinate for at least 2 hours before we put it in the oven. Two hours have gone by and it's now time to wrap our bacon around our chicken. Little tip for chicken wings lovers would be to prepare this in a larger quantity and then leave some in the freezer. And whenever you want to enjoy some chicken wings, all you have to do is to bring it out, wrap your bacon around it, throw it in the oven, and food will be ready. After wrapping everything, I'm going to transfer this to my oven tray, add some more marinade, and this is going to go into the oven for at least 35 to 40 minutes at 230 degrees. And after 35 to 40 minutes in the oven, voila, our chicken is ready. As you can see, it was quite easy, right? If you want to try other ways to enjoy your chicken, I have the recipe for this crispy deep fried chicken. And I'm going to leave the link in the description box below, and also have the recipe to this chicken thighs, which is also quite easy but very luscious. And I'm going to leave the link in the description box below as well. So as usual, if you love what you saw, if you like what you see, please do not forget to support my channel by liking, subscribing and sharing. And hey, let me also know what you think in the comment section below.